Coach, happy to face Nepal again.
Yeah, no, I'm happy to see the Nepal team, and of course I was following the team for a longer period after I left Nepal, and they're doing well. I'm happy to see the boys and the coaching staff, everybody who I know.
How do you take the match today? Batting first, being invited, you put 183 on the board. How good of a total was that?
That was a target. I was looking for about 175, and still I think we had some patches where we got slow and lost few wickets. I would have actually was happy if I get 200. Why? Because I mean these games are anybody can bat, because it's open games and you can bat 8-9 batters only. So you need to have that 20 runs, 20-30 runs extra. So that's, I thought would be a bit shorter, but I think the bowlers bowled well to to keep the Nepal team under 120. Yeah.
You mentioned bowlers bowled well. How impressive was Kalim Shanna? He's been struggling with injuries, but once again he's excellent at the top.
Yeah, he's our best bowler. He's in a different class bowler, and whenever we have him, made a big impact. But I'm struggling with him, like to be available all the tours that we have had. Like whenever we don't have him, we always bowling department is always struggling. But when he's present, he's looking different class.
So Nepal are playing World Cup after 10 years. Last time we played, you were the coach. How special is it that you're going to be in a different camp this time?
No, I think Nepal making it. I think Nepal was actually deserved to be in this setup even between those 10 years. But I'm happy that the guys were playing good cricket and made it to the World Cup. And I'm back home, and I'm happy that I was able to get the Canada back in. I mean, they are also playing for the first time. They were in 50 over World Cups, but first time in a T20. So happy to help them to be there. Overall, I think I think both teams, all associate cricket, has come to a different level now, where they are pushing to get put pressure on the big teams also. I think Nepal is shaping up well, and we are also shaping up well.
Talking about your Canada journey, you went to Canada, brought them to the ODI, started well in the ODI league. Now you're in the World Cup, playing India and Pakistan. How important is that matches for Canada cricket?
Being in the World Cups, and when you are preparing to a World Cup, and the momentum that we get, that is not only helping the World Cup, but it's going to help to improve the game in the country. So I'm mainly looking for that. Excited to play against India, Pakistan, and of course USA and Ireland. We are playing. All the good games are going to be competitive, but the amount of effort that we put will last long in the country.
How emotions you as Nepal face Canada?
It's always exciting. I mean, I enjoyed everything that when I was in Nepal a few months ago, and always happy to see the boys, I'm wishing Nepal for them to do well in the World Cup.
Coach, how did you find Nepal's team and Nepal's performance in today's match?
I think Nepal is of course doing well. I think the team looks a little bit tired today. Looking at the team, I think they have played a lot of cricket. Hopefully they will lift up when the time comes.
Thank you.